sentiments as Kelvin na sobrang refreshing to work with somebody na you've never like heard of before. Kasi syempre, within one network, syempre nagkakaroon ng chika-chika yan, di ba? Uy, nag-work kasi ganyan siya, di ba? Pero now, again, it's very refreshing to get to work with someone and to get to know them on a level na wala ka talagang alam tungkol sa kanila. Like, nobody has set an impression for you in your head, kumbaga. Tama po ba? So, ayun, very refreshing at nakakatuwa to work with somebody from the other side na sobrang dedicated din sa trabaho, na maayos din yung trabaho. Kasi syempre, I've never believed in the network wars. Kasi, I mean, para po sa akin, we're all in this industry for one goal, to give entertainment to people. So, I never understood why there was a war in the first place. So, ayun po, nakakatuwa, refreshing.
So, happy ka natapos ng network war?
Yes, I am po.
Ang network wars kasi, effective na rin sa mga sikat. I've been doing series sa GMA with Kelvin, Loving Miss Bridget. And then I did Ang Sayo Ay Akin. Parang sa mga kagaya namin, supposedly, wala talagang network wars. Kaya lang pag nahihiram yung mga malalaking artista, doon nagkakaroon. Tapos hindi naman nai-interview, ay, sumayin up na pala siya. Ang tagal ko sa pala yung challenge, wala naman nagpasign up sa akin. Kaya ngayon, hindi ko kasalanan kung ako ay mapupunta sa isang movie o sa isang palabas na kasama ko, kasi halos lahat sila ay nakasama ko na. Si Kelvin, I've done 3 films ba with you, including this. And then teleserye. Tapos si Miss Tira din, ganun din. Di ba parang hindi natin kailangan magkaroon ng network wars. Actually, pag gibit ka. Trabaho. Let's do this.
Let's do this. Sa part ko naman, actually, I never signed with any network. So I never. Kasi while I was drafting, nangyari po yung pandemic, and then after pandemic, we saw the shutdown. So everything was like, bababa na po sa akin. And so I never experienced the network war. And when I first got an email from whoever the staff was, akala ko po muna scam. Acting daw, big screen. Bakit ako? Kasi I was asking them, anong film po ito, anong genre? Bawal daw po sabihin unless mag-sign po ako. Ganun. Sabi ko, paano kung benzing agad? Diba? Tapos ako pa yung bed, diba? Sabi ko, may papayag, may papatong sa akin na mga actor. So, jokes aside, I went with my gut. Sabi ko, sa sobrang desperado ko po, because that was right after the lockdown was over. Sabi ko, Jinho, grab every opportunity. Get out of your comfort zone. Kahit lumaki ka ng mga 2 lechon size. Sabi ko, I went there, and then that's when I first met Direk, Kelvin, and Kira. As in, I didn't even know their names. And then, tsaka ko na-realize, when I went home, tsaka ko na-realize different networks po sila. And that surprised me kasi we were also devoted on making this project successful to a point where hindi ko naramdam na who was from where. Someone was from where. And when I looked into Derek's eyes, I was like, wow, this is like my film mother. Because this is my first movie. Usually, sa comedy, sa variety lang po ako. Pag gano'n po kasi, sinusundan ka lang ng camera. Diba? Doon ka umutot, parang susundan ka. Dito, may steps yan. Kahit uutot ka, may angulo ka, may amoy ka. Parang ganun. Yeah, so, having to learn all of that. I mean, syempre nag-research po ako bilang YouTuber sa YouTube. Paano maging actor? Ganon, nag-research po ako talaga. Pero syempre, iba pa rin po yung nasa field ka. And I was just so touched and devoted even more. Kasi Direk never scolded me. Sabi ko po kay Direk, I will do my best, pero please be patient with me po. Parang ganun po. So, yeah, I didn't feel any of that network wars or everything, but we were all focused on this project because we kakagaling po namin dun sa, di ba, lockdown and everything. So, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, before we